everyone. We all know that living things are either male or female, and these males and females, they are given some names. So we are going to study these male and female nouns. If you are going to watch the video till the end, you will surely understand these nouns. Okay, so should we start? Now, see the noun gender. Now what is a gender? What is gender in English? Gender is a state of being a male or a female. And in English grammar, gender is a way of classifying nouns. Okay. Then, how many types of genders are there? What are the different types of genders? There are 4 different kinds of genders. Okay. And we are going to see each of them one by one. Okay. Now, let's see. Compare the words below. Now, some words are given here. You have to just see, notice them. First, boy, girl. Then, lion, lioness. Hero, heroine. Father, mother. What did you notice? Just see the first word in each pair. Boy. Then lion, hero, and father. All these names are of males. Okay. So, a noun that stands for a male is called as the masculine gender. Okay. The first type, that is masculine gender. A noun that stands for a male is called as the masculine gender. So, boy, lion, hero, father, they all belong to the masculine gender as they are all males. Okay, got it? Masculine gender. Then, look at the second word in each pair. Girl, lioness, heroine, mother. All these names, they are of females. Okay, so a noun that stands for a female is called as the feminine gender. Okay, so girl, lioness, heroine, and mother, they all belong to the feminine gender because they are all females. Okay, now look at these words. Child, friend, parent, servant, baby, teacher, singer, and student. Now, the first one, child. A child can be a small boy or a small girl. Okay, either a boy or a girl, can be both, either. Then friend. It can be a boy, boyfriend, or a girl, girlfriend. Then parent. It can be a mother or a father. Servant, it can be a male or a female. Baby, it can be a baby girl or a baby boy. Teacher, it can be a man or a woman. Singer, it can be a male, like we have Kishore Kumar, the male singer, or a female singer, Lata Mangeshkar. So, it can be either a male or a female. Then student, it can be a girl or a boy. Okay, so all these nouns or all these names, they stand for either a male or a female. So, such a noun that stands for either a male or a female is called as the common gender, because these words are common for both, either male or a female. Okay, so we have done masculine gender, that is he, feminine gender, she. Then third one, common gender. Okay, now let's see the fourth one. Fourth one, the neuter gender. Now if I write some words, like pen, pencil, then fan, chair, then table. Now all these names, they are of non-living things. Okay, they are neither a male nor a female. Okay, so a noun that stands for neither a male nor a female is called as the neuter gender. Neuter means neither male nor female. Okay, so we'll write it. A noun that stands for neither a male nor a female is called as the neuter gender. Okay, neuter means not a male or a female. Okay, so pen, pencil, fan, chair, table, they all belong to the neuter gender because they are neither male nor female. Okay, next we are going to see how to form feminine gender from the masculine ones. Okay, ways of forming the feminine nouns, or how to change a masculine noun to a feminine noun. There are different ways. Okay, let's see each of them one by one. First, add suffix ess to the masculine noun. What we have to do? We just have to add ess to the masculine noun to form the feminine. For example, author. When we add ess, it becomes authoress. Okay, the feminine noun. Then next, host, feminine, hostess. Then lion, after adding ess, becomes lioness. Poet, feminine, poetess. We have added ess to poet. Then last one, giant, after adding ess, becomes giantess. So the first way of forming feminine is by simply adding ess to the masculine noun. Second way of forming feminine is to drop the vowel in the masculine noun and add ess. Let's see how to do it. Masculine noun, we have actor. Which is the vowel here? O. O is the vowel. Okay. Now, this vowel O, you have to drop it. Means you don't have to write. Okay. And then you have to add ess after R. Like this, we have done it. We have dropped O, we have not written it. And after R, we have added ess. It becomes actress. Okay. So, actor, actress. Then same way, conductor, conductress. We have dropped the vowel O and they have added ess in the end. Okay. Then founder, the vowel E we have to drop and add ess to make foundress. Okay. Then tiger becomes tigress after dropping the vowel E and adding ess. The last one, waiter, we have to drop E and add ess, it becomes waitress. Okay, so the second way of forming feminine we have done by dropping the vowel sound or the vowel itself and adding ess. Okay. In the third way, what we have to do? We have to add ess but in a different manner. Just see, emperor becomes empress. We have added ess. Okay. Then master, feminine noun becomes mistress. And governor becomes governess. Okay. So, by adding ess in a different manner. do, we have to change the before or after word of a masculine noun. Like grandfather. The feminine noun becomes grandmother. So the after word father becomes mother. Then milkman. The feminine is milkwoman. Then peacock is feminine is peahen. Then landlord. Lord becomes lady, landlady. And the last one, salesman. The feminine noun is saleswoman. Okay? In the next method, what we have to do, we have to change the word entirely. Means the feminine nouns and the masculine nouns are totally different from each other. For example, we'll see masculine, bull. The feminine of it is cow. Okay, it is totally different. Okay, we have not added any suffix, nothing. The words are totally different. Then husband, wife. Brother, the feminine is sister. Uncle, feminine noun, aunt. Then father, mother. Cock, hen. And the last one, dog. The feminine of dog is bitch. Okay? Certain masculine nouns form their feminine as. The masculine noun sultan becomes sultana. The feminine of sultan is sultana. Then viceroy, the feminine is vicereine. Okay? Now, the pronouns masculine and feminine are he, the feminine is she. Then his, her, him, her. Okay? So, now, little work for you. Some exercise. What you have to do is, you have to write the feminine of these following words. King, gentleman, cock, bull and lion. Try to find out the feminine nouns. Hope you have understood the masculine and feminine nouns. If you have any queries, you can write in the comment. And don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.